AI really replace your CPA? Let's be clear, AI is smart, but when it comes to running your small business, it's not that smart.
Sure, AI can crunch numbers fast. It can even categorize transactions or spit out reports in seconds. But here's what AI can't do: interpret confusing tax laws, plan for growth, or give you advice tailored to your business. And when the IRS comes knocking, you'll want more than a robot on your side.
AI is a great tool, but it can't replace the experience, judgment, and strategy of a trusted CPA. At Accounting Complete, we combine smart tech with smarter people, so your business is never left guessing.
Powered by technology, driven by people. Contact us today for your personalized needs analysis.